Your braids are absorbing toxins right now. Here's how to fix it. If you wear braids, wigs, or extensions, they're collecting more than just dust. We're talking formaldehyde, heavy metals, and chemical residue from manufacturing and styling products. Most people don't know this is happening until the itching, odor, or irritation starts. But here's the problem. Traditional clarifying shampoos can loosen your braids or damage your style. That's why we created the ToxiTress Hair Detox Kit, the only complete system designed to remove hidden toxins from protective styles without loosening them. It's a 5-step process that takes under 90 minutes, and you can do it at home. Let me show you how. Step 1. Mix the Bentonite Clay and Activated Charcoal with warm water until you get a smooth, yogurt-like consistency. This blend is what pulls out the toxins. Bentonite Clay acts like a magnet for heavy metals and chemicals, while charcoal absorbs impurities. Step 2. Section your braids and apply the clay mixture directly to each braid, from root to tip. Don't be shy, you want full coverage. The key here? Work it in gently. You're not scrubbing, you're coating. This way, your braids stay intact. Make sure you get your scalp too. That's where a lot of buildup hides. Step 3. Let the clay sit for 15 to 20 minutes. This is when the magic happens. The clay is literally pulling toxins out of your hair and scalp. You might feel a slight tingle. That's normal. Set a timer, relax, scroll TikTok, whatever you want. Step 4. Rinse out the clay thoroughly with warm water. You'll see all that buildup washing away. Then apply the botanical rinse. This is a blend of rosemary, chamomile, aloe, and green tea. It soothes your scalp, balances your pH, and preps your hair for the final step. Leave it on for 5 minutes, then rinse again. Step 5. Seal everything in with the nourishing oil. This locks in moisture, protects your scalp, and keeps your braids looking fresh. Just a few drops on your fingertips. Massage it into your scalp and down each braid. Your hair should feel clean, light, and healthy, not stripped or dry. Look at the difference. Before, dull, heavy, buildup. After, clean, vibrant, and toxin-free. And the best part? Your braids are still perfectly intact. One of our customers said, "My scalp feels so clean for the first time in months, and my braids didn't budge." If you're ready to detox your braids, wigs, or extensions the safe way, grab your ToxiTress kit now. Link in bio. It's 100% non-toxic, works on all protective styles, and comes with everything you need. Your hair deserves this. Click the link and let's get you feeling fresh again. Follow us on Instagram and TikTok for more tips. A Pure Tress Lab. See you in the next one.